I have, how much money is this, Dad?
4,040.
Yep, this is all mine.
His allowance this week.
Yep.
He's a really good cook. What are you gonna buy?
Can-Am.
Oh, you're gonna buy a Can-Am?
See if this is enough money.
Are you gonna buy him anything? Eee.
Whatever.
You should buy Dallas a dirt bike with that.
Nah.
Why don't you buy me something?
I'm gonna buy Dad new cologne.
Oh, what are you trying to say?
I'm gonna buy you new cologne.
Oh. I thought it was some kind of insult.
Cake.
Oh, you're gonna buy Talon a cake?
So I can have a birthday party before I leave.
I think we'll make sure to start planning that next year.
Next year? Why not this year?
Because we're not going to have time now. Our last week's going to be pretty crammed up.
What's that?
I mean, we're going to be pretty busy with you having Aunt Shell's wedding come in and everything. And me and Dallas will be starting school before that.
He's annoying, right?
Get jiggy with it, G.
Huh?
Get jiggy with it.
Okay. Yeah. Ow, slap me.
Hey, don't be smacking with money. Here, let me get that, sir.
Nope. Stop.
Stop. Let go of it. Give it back. Come on.